Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Tuesday, May 30. Time is around 6:20 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Wanda platform. So yesterday I gave you some scenarios that could play out. Not much happened yesterday, so yeah, these um, these scenarios are still valid, and that's why my graph looks a bit messy for now. There are a lot of options. Um, yeah, I will explain them in a minute, but I just want to start with saying that uh, today I do not really see entries for my trading style. So my trading style is I trade at the extremes, which are areas where buyers and sellers will agree about the movement of the price, about the direction of the price. This is where I like to trade. This is where I like to enter because their risk reward is at its highest. So I will just start with showing my two entries for today, but I doubt if we will reach these areas. It is possible, so I will just share them with you, and then I will also discuss some other possibilities that could play out if you if you have another trading style than me. So what I would do is I look for extreme areas, and so for now my take on the DAX is that we had here we had a wave 4 ending, and so now we had the wave 1 to the upside. Last week I gave you this area to go long, this area to go short. Then we went down in a wave 2, and on Friday I also gave you this area to go long. And now what is the extreme area? This is this box, this equal leg um, area from here, from your wave 1 and your wave 2. So wave 1, wave 2. This is an area to initiate a short trade. Of course, you do not enter blindly. In this box, what you want to see is 5 waves up, like one, like this can be your one, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending in this box with divergence. This is for me a condition to enter a short trade. Unfortunately, I cannot show you yet because we didn't reach this area yet. We need more data. So this would be a short entry for me. But it's a move of 2.5%, I think. Yeah, it is possible that it happens today, but maybe it's for later this week. But this is the area I'm watching to enter a short trade. Then to enter a long trade, I want to see something similar, but just the opposite. What I mean is, my long trade would be the scenario that this is here or 3, and that we are now actually doing or 4 in an ABC, like A, B, C. And then again, you can enter at the extremes, which is again the equal leg area. So this would be then here, this area of your wave 4. So again, I want to see something similar, 5 waves down, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending in this box with divergence in RSI. Your fifth wave should have divergence compared to your third wave. Then for me, conditions are met to go long again. But this is a move of 3%. So I doubt if this will work out today. So I gave you these two extreme areas. Where these are the areas I am waiting for now with this data. Of course, tomorrow, if we have more data, I might change my opinion. I might see other entries. This is trading. Trading is continuous interpretation of data. Like, you can adjust your trading plan if it is based on data. You cannot change it based on emotions, but on based on data you can. So this is the plan that I have today. Why do I only look at these two areas for now? Because like here now we are somewhere in between, and yeah, I see so many options here in between this box and this box, so many different counts that it can really go, it can go this way. This can be a target, but it can also go this way. This can also be a target. Like I said, like, let's consider the bearish scenario, so that we are doing a wave 4 to the downside. Then our counts will look like something I already drew yesterday. Then this will be, so this then is our wave 3 in the higher degree. This is our wave 3. Then we first have an A. I drew it yesterday in red. Then we are correcting in a wave B. Like, a wave B is really difficult to go short because it does not has to end with divergence. Like, an ABC does not end with divergence. So it's really difficult to find an area. Like, I drew an area where a wave B is typically ending. I drew this area yesterday. This is between the 0.5 pip extension and the zero retracement, 0.5 pip retracement and 0.764 pip retracement. This is typically the area for a wave B. Yeah, we have some reaction here in this box, but that does not mean that it is a wave B. I will show you in a minute. There are still other possibilities. And so then, we have our A 5 ways down. This is a valid A. This can be a valid B as A, B, C with an with a flat wave C here of the lower level, and then we can go down again in 5 waves as a wave C, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfectly possible. Another option is that we move up. So I will delete the bearish scenario for now, just to make the graph a bit more understandable. So how does the bullish scenario look like? It could be that we have already 5 waves up here. This looks valid. 1, 2, 3. Or we better put it here and then here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 1. Then we can now do a 2 again, and then we move up for a 3 in the direction of this area. So this is also a possibility. So if you, for instance, believe that this bullish scenario will will play out, then yeah, then you can always find entries. Then like an entry for your wave 2 would be like with the data we have now. I draw it with the data we have now. This might also change. Then your entry could be here, the equal leg area, but you cannot yeah, we cannot take out this low, of course, as a wave 2. So this area you could go long for a wave 3. This is a possibility. Yeah, it could also be that the wave 2 is already in here actually, so that we only have yeah, that's possible, that we only have a very shallow wave 2. I think we did not reach the 0.5 pip retracement, but yeah, sometimes this happens, especially on the lower time frame. So this could also be your wave 2. So we can start moving higher from here. That's also possible. Yeah, and then there are, of course, still the bearish scenarios. Like if we go down, this can be like your 1 from here. So as a C wave, going down as a C wave, then this can be your 1. Then you could go like short somewhere here, the retest of this high as a wave 2. Then you can go short for a wave 3. So this is what I meant at the beginning of my video. I like to trade at the extremes, because there I know at the extremes buyers and sellers agree. Your entry has way less risk than entering somewhere here. Like in the last like in the second part of my video, I gave you all the scenarios that could play out here. And yeah, these are financial markets. This is beyond you and me. I do not know what will happen from here. I can just analyze the data, identify safe areas to enter, and manage my risk. I do not know from here what will happen. I only know if I enter here, there will be a reaction. If I enter here based on my conditions, 5 waves up, in this box ending with divergence, there will be a reaction. The same for the bearish scenario. But here, yeah, we can go this way, we can go this way. We are somewhere in between. But of course, there are entries. If you believe in the bearish scenario, you can enter. You can wait for in the bullish scenario. Excuse me. You can wait for a bit more pullback and enter here. You can also assume that your wave 2 is already in, and enter and just enter now and wait for your wave 3. But this is not my trading style. I don't trade like this. So yeah, for now with this data, I just have to wait what happens. You know the zones I am looking at. This zone and this zone, but here I do not enter a trade. Okay, this is my analysis for today. I hope you have a nice day and see you tomorrow for another video. Bye bye.